Hello my inquisitive friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of More Academy. I am Professor Anand More. I am a chartered accountant by qualification and a teacher at heart. This YouTube channel of More Academy is primarily going to be in the English language. But my mother tongue is Marathi, so sometimes I'll be speaking in Marathi. And being an Indian, I am raised on the staple diet of Bollywood movies, so sometimes I'll be speaking in Hindi also. त्यामुळे मी कधी कधी मराठीत बोलीन और कभी कभी शायद मैं हिंदी का भी इस्तेमाल करूँगा. The subjects of this channel which I'll be discussing are the subjects of accounts, costing, financial management and taxation. Being a chartered accountant, this is my domain. So I'll be sharing my expertise, my knowledge on these 4 subjects. The method which I have used in this channel is for every subject. I have divided it into multiple topics, and for each topic, initially first 2 videos, 3 videos or 4 videos, depending upon the total content, I have devoted specifically for theory discussion, and then thereafter I have considered 15 to 16 practical problems where I have shown the problem first, then I have discussed how the problem is supposed to be solved, what are the observations to be made, and then I have actually solved the problem. So the method is first few lectures of every topic will be on theory, and then minimum 15 questions, 10 to 15 questions of every topic I am trying to solve. This is a big project, so initially to start with I have decided to start with the subject of 12th standard Maharashtra board, and the subject will be bookkeeping and accountancy. This year the exams are postponed a little bit, so it will be easy for this year students as well as for next year students. Once 12th standard subjects are over, 12th standard topics are over, then I'll go for considering topics of other years also. I'll be primarily discussing the subjects for Maharashtra board and for Mumbai University and for Pune University. But almost the syllabus of entire different universities in Maharashtra will be covered here. So although primarily the channel is devoted for the purpose of Maharashtra board and Mumbai University and Pune University, it will be surely useful for other students also. Now what I would request you all is to subscribe to this channel, because there is an option called as community option, which is available only if the 1000 subscribers are complete for any particular channel. Once the community option is open, I'll be in a position to share some PDF of the problems which are solved as well as some extra problems also. So just below the channel on the right hand side you can see the subscribe button. Please hit on the button, or just below every video you can see the subscribe button. Please subscribe to the channel, share this channel with your friends. I'll be arranging all the problems of a particular topic under single playlist, so it will be easy for you to understand the problems topics properly. So welcome to all of you to the channel of More Academy, and let us start studying all the subjects of accountancy, taxation, financial management and costing.